Today we are having a drawing room cleaning demo with all the furniture. Uh, there was a request from someone who would like to know how the robo understands when there are obstacles. So this is for all those who would like to know a little bit more about it. Orient itself and see where the walls are so that it can start mapping the entire boundary area. Okay, so if you have curtains over here, then it would become easier because it cannot go beneath the curtains. It takes it as a hindrance. Now there is a carpet, a small doormat, so just trying to go over it by increasing the power capacity so that it can clean the doormat. Tries to get over all the obstacles on its own by increasing the battery power. You just saw how it did it. We'll go beneath. You can see it. It has a lighter light which allows it to see even in a dark area. It knows where it can enter. The furniture which is short, it will not enter, but it will map the legs or the obstacle. Since I have high sofas, it can easily go beneath and clean on its own. So one of the most important cleaning aspects when a help or assistant is doing it, sometimes these areas are not covered properly as one would like. But with the robo, we usually get a complete cleaning. You will see that it will judge every place where it can enter or not. Then it goes in. Okay. So the boundary, he is still trying to make the drawing room boundary. Okay, I haven't moved any furniture, so it goes wherever possible. Yes, one odd corners it would be difficult for it to clean. Maybe you will have to someday rearrange the furniture if you want him to go right up to the wall. But you give him a full access, then it will go wherever by its own judgment. Another word of caution is whenever it is trying to map, if we try to move one object, then it will not take it into consideration because the mapping is done already in its brain. So in the beginning, wherever you want it to go, just allow it to go. It judges all the walls and obstacles in between and continues doing the cleaning on its own. It's like a small naughty child, no touching in between, otherwise it just forgets and gets lost and confused. But it is good when it is on its own, confident, and you don't have to take care of anything. Usually I would have left this room and gone away, and it would be doing the cleaning on its own. Okay. Just the speed, the noise when it is sweeping. This is the sweeping mode. My previous video was of the mopping mode. So you first do a sweeping, then attach the mop. That will give you a sparkling